How to create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone verification. First things first is pull up your Google web browser and go to Cloud Skills Boost. Now, once you're on the website, you'll just have to connect your current Google Mail account to this website. Now, once you logged in, you go to Explore and then scroll down, change the format to Lab, wait for the site to load, and you scroll down again and choose on a tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. Now, once you're here, you'll just have to press on the green button to start lab. Now, once this is starting, you'll just have to create a new tab and then go to youtube.com. It has to be a youtube.com website. Now, once you're here, just press on your account and then press switch account. And then head over to add account. Now you just need to copy paste all the login credentials from your Cloud Skills Boost. Just copy the username, paste it here, the next, and then paste the password, the next. So there you go. You can make as many as you want. So that's how you create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone verification.